What makes some online stores a magnet for buyers, while others feel like a ghost town? It's not magic. It's a proven recipe. Let's break down exactly what makes a high-converting e-commerce store. First, it's all about design. A clean, easy-to-navigate website helps visitors relax and shop with confidence. Make sure your store looks great on every device and loads in just a few seconds. Next, give shoppers everything they need on your product pages: crisp photos, clear descriptions, and honest reviews. Help them picture your product in their life. Make checking out a breeze. Offer guest checkout, multiple payment options, and keep the process as short as possible. Show trust badges and secure payment icons so customers know they're safe. Don't forget, trust. Share real testimonials, your story, and clear contact details. People want to buy from real humans, not just a faceless website. Push your visitors gently with strong calls to action. Buy now is good, but get yours before they're gone is better. Keep improving. Use analytics to test and tweak your pages. And after the sale, follow up with thank yous and support to keep customers coming back. Want help building a store that sells? Contact MarketinGear for a free e-commerce strategy session and start turning clicks into customers today.